Now let me take time to teach you this also. When you say a woman, in my dialect, a woman means onyinye. Then, when you see a lady, young and beautiful, what do you call it in your dialect? In my dialect, we call that lady ngboto. Ngboto. Then, what do you call a man? A man is onyeke. Yeah. A man is called onyeke. In my Ndokwa dialect, we call it onyeke. Then a youth that is a man, what do we call a young man in my own dialect? We call a young man as ikolobia. We call the young man ikolobia. We call a man to be onyeke. But those of the people you see that are young and in their youthful age, we call them ikolobia. So in your dialect, what do you call a woman and a young lady? What do you call a man and a young man? I hope you have learned something new from here. Don't forget to share and don't forget to follow me for more.